Now, the fourth exercise as part of this chord buster routine is something I call rapid fire changes. And what we're going to do here is trick your brain into just firing your fingers into the right spot. So what we need to do is put this dude here in control. You're going to do 4 strums on the C chord, and you're instantly going to change to the G chord, and change back. And the aim is that you do not stop strumming no matter what. If this hand is not ready, and then I'm going to change. Now I didn't make the change, but I adjusted as I went. And I've got 3 more counts to get my fingers in the right spot. And then what will hopefully happen is we will force our brain to think quickly, and we'll start nailing those changes. What's going to happen is we're putting this guy in charge. He's sending the message that you better be ready or else. If you're not ready, catch up. You do 4 strums, then you change instantly without breaking the strumming. Now, if this hand doesn't get all the fingers down, who cares? You have the second count of the bar to get your fingers down. If you miss that, you've got the 3rd bar and eventually the 4th bar. By the end of those 4 strums, hopefully you have adjusted your fingers to end up being in the right spot. Now what will happen here is your hand will just jump to the shape that it remembers. We're kind of forcing it, we're tricking it to make a quick change by putting this hand in control and not letting this guy hold up the show. So be surprised with the results of this one. So all up, this routine should probably take about 4 or 5 minutes. A little troubleshooting tip for the rat off at this pace. You are not giving yourself much time to change between those chords. Start around 60 beats per minute, 1 strum per second. Change. Change. Change.